Feedback is essential to producing quality work, but without structure, it can lead to endless revisions, frustration, and even tension with a client. Let's talk about how to manage it professionally and effectively. First, create a structured feedback process for that. Set feedback milestones. Rather than waiting until the end of the project for feedback, set feedback milestones throughout the process. For example, after the wireframe phase, I'll send it to you for feedback. Once approved, I'll proceed to the design phase. This keeps clients engaged and ensures they are satisfied with each stage before moving forward. Also use tools for clear communication like Google Docs, Figma, or Notion. They allow clients to comment directly on specific areas of your work, reducing vague feedback like "I don't like this" or "Can you make it better?" Practical tip: train your clients to give feedback constructively. Ask them for specific comments such as "Can you tell me what specific parts you are unsure about and why?" And here is how you can manage revisions. First of all, make it clear in your contract how many rounds of revisions are included in the project price. Example: this project includes 2 rounds of revisions. Additional revisions will be charged at $50 per round. Encourage your clients to gather all their feedback at once to avoid receiving multiple scattered requests. For example, please gather all feedback into one document so we can address it efficiently. Multiple rounds of piecemeal feedback may lead to additional costs. And practical tip: after each round of feedback, summarize the changes and ask the client to confirm in writing before proceeding to ensure there is no miscommunication. Still, sometimes clients can focus on unnecessary details that extend project timelines. And if a client continually makes small requests that don't add value, clearly explain the impact. For example, each additional revision affects the project timeline and may delay delivery. Let's prioritize changes that align with your main goals.